afternoon and good night. It's a brand new struggling day here. Let's just put it like that. It is day 4 of our green smoothie cleanse, and when I tell you that my biggest problem with this journey is that I have zero energy to work out. When I say zero energy, I mean zero energy. Everybody everybody handle it different. Sarah, everybody handles it differently. Everybody have different feeling when they do the green smoothie cleanse. But when I tell you that I have zero energy, I have zero energy. I'm just going through the motions, and I realize that I can't do any high intensity workout. I have to do calm, slowly, and take my time and take more rest than I usually do. But that's expected because I'm not having food, I'm having just smoothie. So I think it's a feeling that is a part of the journey. Though some people say they have energy, but I don't, and that's just a honest truth. Anyway, you guys, how are you guys doing? Hopefully you guys are doing well. And if you're trying this green smoothie journey with us, comment down below and let me know how it's going for you guys. The kids are up, they're awake. Tyler is still on vacation from school. This is week 1 of vacation. There is 2 weeks of vacation in France. Here, school get vacation every 5 weeks. Come here, Sarah. Come here. Sarah, come to mama. Come here. She wake up from 6:30 this morning. Come here, princess. Come here. Sit. Look here. Say good morning, Faves. Good morning. Look at her. In pajamas and watching TV. Baby's still in bed. Baby's working from home today, so that's good. Baby's so over this green smoothie. But like I said, we are not giving up. We are pushing through because giving up is not an option. So right now, I'm going to get up from here and I'm going to make my tea and take my smoothie out of the fridge and show you guys what today's blend look like. So let's go do that. Yeah. Hello. Sarah is having this terrible cough, so I need to go to the pharmacy. I need to go to the pharmacy to get something for that cough. I gave her some honey and lemon this morning just to help the cough, and it seemed to help a bit, so that's good. Anyway, you guys, let me take out. I already blended day 4 smoothie from last night. And let me just tell you that day 4 look like death. That's what I told baby yesterday. That day 4 look like death. So this is day 4 smoothie. It's dark like yesterday's own. And what makes it dark, guess down below before I tell you the ingredients. What could make day 4 smoothie dark? Same as yesterday. So today's smoothie is 2 handfuls of kale. So today is the first day we're using kale. So we have 2 handfuls of kale, 1 handful of spinach. And when I say handful, I mean like this. A good amount of handful. 1 handful of spinach, 2 cups of water, 2 apples, and 1.5 cup of frozen peach, 1.5 cup of frozen mixed berries, 2 pack of stevia, and 2 tablespoons of flaxseed. Now I put stevia in baby's own, but I don't put stevia in my own. Stevia is just to sweeten it a little bit, to offset the taste, to make it taste palatable if you can't manage it without stevia. Yeah, so that's that. And it's also recommended that you can put 1 scoop of protein powder in each smoothie if you have it. But we don't use protein powder, so that's not an option for me. So that's day 4. That's day 4 smoothie. Yes, yes, yes. Anyway, you guys, I am going to go make my tea, and we have detox tea in the mornings before smoothie. So they say yogi detox is the best detox to have, but I don't do yogi. I just do a normal detox tea, and this detox is lemon and mint and some other things in it. We love this one, so we are sticking to it. So I'm gonna make my tea. I took my smoothie out of the fridge because I don't like when my smoothie is too cold during the winter time. So I'm gonna tea up, and make sure you guys subscribe right now. You guys realize I'm not even giving you guys any energy because I don't have it to give. Make sure you guys subscribe right now. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new to the fam bam, and you guys will see the rest of the family throughout the rest of the vlog. So continue watching. All done. Wow. Who is that? All done? All done. Okay. My baby having braids. Look at her little hairstyle. Come here. Look at Sarah here. It's getting so long. Only you. No, no, no. Mama can't allow that. Anyway, hi you guys. Look who is out in the streets. I'm out in the streets with the kiddos. I'm taking the kids to the park. The sun is shining and it feels so good out. So we're heading to the park, and I need to stop to the pharmacy to get something for Sarah's cough. So let's see if I can accomplish that and get back home in time for lunch with my babies. Yes, Ty? Look at Sarah. Hold on. Hey, say hello, Fizz. And Ty is there. Say hello. Hello. So we are at the Botanic Park. It's actually a tourist advisor visit on in Nice. In here have a lot of greenery and a very big park for the nice little park for the kids. There's fishes and frogs. There's frogs down there. I don't mind not seeing any. So here they show you all that's in the water. Look. Ah! Fish.
The frog that laughs.
Ah.
Frog laughing.
A lot of people come over here to work out, so because it's a big property, it's not just a park, but it have chill spots where you can picnic if you want, sit and relax in the garden if you want. There's a lot of paths. Yes, it's huge. Come a good time, not a lot of people. Perfect timing. Ah, they change it. The toboggan change. You saw? The climb changed too. Ah, they changed the park. I guess we haven't been here in a while. Interesting. They change it for it to be more manageable for the smaller kids. Open. And now at the pharmacy, trying to find this specific medicine for Sarah. Bonjour. Alors, c'est possible de chercher ce médicament? Merci. Had such a good time at the park, and I met an amazing mommy. She's American with her little girl, which is the same age as Sarah. They are so cute and adorable, and we exchanged numbers, so hopefully I'll get a mommy bestie around here, which is so cool. So we're heading back home just in time for lunch right now. So yeah, we're heading home. Oh, I got the medicine too. I got it, just the one I wanted. So let's head home for lunch. Ready? Bonjour. Je veux un baguette. Et vous avez de pain au chocolat? Oui, j'ai vu. Oui.
Avec ça?
Merci, c'est tout.
Alors 2,15 €, s'il vous plaît.
Oh, we got the famous baguette. Ooh, it feels warm too. No, we're not staying, huh? We're not staying. Here, Sarah, here. Yeah. No? Okay. You want candy?
Yes.
And Play-Doh with the kids. Yes, come. More Play-Doh. Bird, wow. Want more? Wow, yellow. Here.
Mama, look.
Here. Good job. Wow.
I did that.
Back.
Yes.
Yay. Hit it. Knock it.
Mama, I did a big one. That's why I wanted more. But what
Good
is
job,
that dinosaur?
Sarah. Use this one. Dinner fix for my babies, you guys. That's Sarah's. And look who couldn't start to wait eating. Look who couldn't wait to start eating. Why did I just say that backwards? Come, eat, come for grapes, come. I am showing you day 5 today because you guys won't see me tomorrow and the day after that. So I'm showing you day 5. This is what day 5 smoothie looks like. Of course, the blueberry turns it purple. And oh, I didn't give you the ingredients. So the ingredients for day 5 is 3 handful of spinach, 2 cups of water, 1 cup frozen peach, 1 cup frozen peach, 1 handful fresh or frozen seedless grapes, 1.5 cup blueberries, and 3 pack of stevia, and 2 teaspoons of flaxseed. So that's what we have in this one. Of course, I don't put no stevia in mine, but we have stevia in his. So that's that. And I'm gonna give you day 6. Day 6 has always been my favorite of the entire package. So day 6 will be 2 cups of fresh spinach, 1 cup of pineapple, 2 cups of frozen peach, 2 banana peels, 1.5 pack stevia, 2 cup water, and 2 tablespoons of flaxseed. I guess you guys will realize why day 6 has always been my favorite, because all of the fruits in day 6 are sweet fruits. So it kind of changed the taste of the smoothie completely. So that's day 6. And day 7, which is Friday, oh, you guys will see that. So you guys will see day 7 on Monday in Monday vlog, so I don't have to tell you what day 7 is gonna be. Anyway, you guys, I am going to pack away these for the day tomorrow and go clean up my kitchen, girl.
Attendir que la nuit tombe. Et ils avaient raison. Dans le bleu de la nuit de loin, on avait vraiment l'impression que c'était 3 fantômes qui couraient sous la lune. Firent les 3 fantômes. À force de faire ils eurent un peu peur les uns des autres. Le lapin eut peur du chat et du loup. Le chat eut peur du loup et du lapin. Et le loup eut peur du lapin et du chat.